In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoices, sales receipts, estimates in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your forms helps your business look professional, keeps information clear for your customers, and makes it easier to get paid on time. We'll walk through where to find the tools, how to create a new style, and what you can personalize so your documents reflect your brand and the details you want to show. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the top right and click the small gear icon. This opens your settings menu. Choose Custom Form Styles. Here, you'll see a list of any styles you've already created, along with the standard default. This page is your hub for managing how your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts look. To build something new, click New Style in the top right. You'll be asked to select the type of form you want to customize: invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. Pick the one you need for your workflow. The options are similar across all three, so you can keep a consistent look across your documents if you like. You'll be taken to an editing screen where you can personalize the form you chose. Start by giving the style a clear name so you can recognize it later. Then, add your logo and choose colors that match your brand. Adjust the template layout, fonts, and spacing for readability. Decide exactly which columns and fields appear, like quantity, rate, or SKU, and reorder them to highlight what matters most to your customers. Edit the header and footer to include your company details, form title, terms, and payment instructions. You can also add a friendly message customers will see on the form. As you make changes, use the live preview to check how everything looks on screen and when printed. Aim for a clean, uncluttered layout so totals, due dates, and contact information stand out. If you collect tax or use discounts, make sure those fields are enabled and visible. When you're happy with your design and the details are correct, click Done to save your new style. That's the key step that locks in your changes. Now, when you create an invoice, an estimate, or a sales receipt, you can choose the custom style you created before you send or print. Look for the Style or Customize option on the form, select your template, and you're ready to go. Consider creating different styles for different audiences or services, and keep your branding consistent across all forms for a polished, professional look.